In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a new folder on Microsoft Teams chats. If your chat list is getting long and hard to manage, creating a dedicated place to group-related conversations can make a huge difference. In Teams, this is called a section, but it works like a folder for organizing your chats. So that's what we'll set up now. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and heading to the Chats area. This is your main hub for one-on-one and group conversations. Once you're there, look near the top where you usually start a new message. You'll see a small arrow next to the New Message button. Click that arrow to open more options. This menu includes a simple tool for organizing your chat list without changing anything inside the conversations themselves. From that menu, choose New Section. Think of a section as a label or container that will sit in your chat sidebar. Now give your new section a name. Pick something clear and practical, like a project title, a client name, or a theme such as follow-ups or priority. Short, descriptive names make it easy to scan your list later and find what you need quickly. If your organization uses naming standards, follow those so your sidebar stays consistent over time. After you enter the name, click Create. You've just made the folder. One important note: the section might not appear right away in your chat list if it's empty. Teams keeps your sidebar uncluttered by hiding empty sections, so the next step is to move at least one chat into it. To do that, find any chat you want to organize, then right-click on it. In the menu that opens, choose the option to move it, and select the new section you just created. The chat will shift under that section, and the folder will now be visible in your sidebar. You can repeat this with as many chats as you like. Over time, you'll build a clean structure that mirrors how you work, making it faster to scan, prioritize, and follow up. A few quick tips as you go. Keep section names specific and action-oriented if that helps your workflow, and avoid creating too many folders at once. Start with a few core categories and expand only when you need to. If you don't see the arrow or the option for sections, make sure you're using the latest version of Teams, as features can vary. And that's it. You've created a folder-like section and moved a chat into it, giving your Teams chats a much clearer, more organized layout.